Hi, my friends, Ian Stewart here. I am the proud owner of Buildabizonline, and I'd like to welcome you to your members area. This is where it all happens. This is the workstation, back office, members area. People call them all sorts of different things. But this is the nerve centre. There's another one. A nerve centre of Buildabizonline. Now, as you well have imagined now, we are a tool providing service along with the training to use those tools, training to make money online, and also support, because it's no good just selling somebody a car, if you like, and then no after sales. Well, you do get after sales here, even if you're a free member. Okay. So the important thing to focus on is that we are a tool providing a company where you can use those tools to make, well, I make a full-time living online from the tools that we have created, my programmer and myself. Okay, we have got some third-party tools that I have found necessary. Now, when it comes to tools, when I first started online, I've been online now, trying to make money online for 14 years. Okay, now for the first 6 years, I didn't make a thing because I did not listen to those that were making money. And when I did listen, they said, you need the right tools. It's the same as your house. If you're building something, an extension, a table, or whatever it may be, even the house itself, you need the tools to do it. Okay, so after I started using those tools, I started to make money online. Now, the sad thing is, those tools were costing me around about $60 per month. And my wife's in the office and she's just heard that. Okay. But they were costing me $60 and I begged, scraped and borrowed to get that $60. And then we started to make money. Now, the thing is, I was friendly with quite a few affiliate marketers, and they said, these tools are killing me. These tools are killing me. And I said, yeah, now I'll promise this. I promise one thing. If I do start making serious money, I'm going to build a membership site, which we have done. We're going to provide every single tool, under one roof, and we're going to charge just $10 for those tools. Now, you cannot get no fairer than that. Here at Buildabizonline, you get every single tool, including autoresponders, including a blog if you want it. And for those that are really serious, we can provide hosting for them as well. Okay, so if you, as a free member, if you promote Buildabizonline and somebody upgrades under you at $10, you will make 75 cents. But if you are a Pro Plus paying member and you sign somebody up and they pay $10 per month, you will get what we call a residual income of 60%. That's $6 per person per month, so long as you and that other person is upgraded. Now, we cannot say no further than that. I think that we are paying out quite a lot of commissions. You get a lot more for your buck with Buildabizonline. Okay. Now, I could be greedy, like some of the programs out there, and they provide some tools, like a little bit of hosting, and they charge their customers $10. Okay, and when they sign somebody up and they upgrade, they get $1. We're not like that at Buildabizonline. You will find that we are not greedy. So that's enough about promoting Buildabizonline. That is entirely up to you. Now, some people have joined Buildabizonline to make money promoting Buildabizonline. Then there are some members that do two things. They promote Buildabizonline and make a residual income promoting their existing business online. Okay, so there we have it. Some don't bother promoting Buildabizonline, which is very difficult because there is some links back to your Buildabizonline on some of our splash pages. So it's very difficult not to sign people up. Some just use the tools. Okay. And then there is that third one that uses both. They use the tools to build their business online and to learn through the training methods that we use. And then they make money at the back end through Buildabizonline. So what I want to do quickly now is just to show you briefly your members area. Okay, so here goes. So this button here, if you click on that, if you're on any other page and you click this button, it will always come back here. This one is where you log out, and we do encourage you to click that to log out of your members area. Don't just shut it down, log out. Okay. Okay, let's have a look now. Up here, you've got your main links. I don't know why I called it this, but you've got your profile there. You can add your branding image. Now, this is all covered in step 1. I did tell you on the outside there is a 4-step system. Branding yourself is important, but if you don't want to brand yourself, then that's it. But I'm telling you the things that have worked for me. That's all I can do. Okay. So you can, these are the frequently asked questions, and we've got our legal information just there. You can upgrade anytime you wish, just here, using different methods. And I do recommend that so that you get full use of every single tool. Now, we provide what's called an ad page, or a lot of our members call it their programs page. A lot of our members are affiliate members, and they, like me when I first started, they wanted to list all of their programs on one page and promote just one link. And this is where you add your programs. Sorry, this one. Add your programs onto that advertising or that programs page. More about that in step 3. Okay, these are your promotional links if you want to make money using promoting Buildabizonline and signing people up underneath you, and they upgrade. Okay, so you don't get paid for just signing people up. They have to upgrade. Okay, there's no money in that, is there? Now, the toolbox. Wow, here goes. There's all your tools just there. And if you click on this link just here, your autoresponder, traffic blog, instructions are there, and other bonuses. Okay, other bonuses. Now, sadly, you cannot use the autoresponder or the blog or see any of the bonuses on this page unless you are upgraded. Okay, that's fair enough. And then we've got our various tools. Okay, so you've got in that line, you've got 2 banner builders for a start. You've got a URL rotator that is brandable. You've got a logo building tool just there, and you've got a cloak, track, shrink, and brand URLs. Now that is one of our members' favorite tools. More about that later. 10 banner splash page. More about that later. Splash page builder. Now that is the second tool that people like here at Buildabizonline. We've got all our training videos here. Okay. And then you've got your advertising methods here. If you want to advertise, rotate banners for all our members to see, you can click on text advertising for the text site, advertising side. Banner advertising is just there. Okay. And also we've got our recommended programs, which is included in step 4. So let me just go through these steps one more time. Okay. Step 1 is all about branding you. You don't have to, but I do. People know, like, and trust me because I brand myself and they know the person as soon as they see me. You can use a logo, not necessarily a picture yourself. I use a picture of myself. Step 2 is all about, if you're brand new, if you're an affiliate marketer already, then you know exactly what you're doing. But step 2 is important for those that want to start making money online using our tools. Okay, so step 2 is just there. Step 3 is all about adding your programs and doing your ads ready for step 4, which covers advertising. So it's a simple 4-step system. Okay, if you want to call it a system, just 4 simple steps. If you can follow these and implement them, there is no reason why you cannot be making money online with Buildabizonline. If you have ever got any questions at all or you're stuck, you contact me just here. I'm not online at the moment. Okay, this is a live text chat, not video, text chat. Okay, now if I were logged into the admin area receiving text chats, there would be a little balloon up here saying that admin is available, something like that. I change it around every now and again. But if you click on this when that balloon is not up here, I will get an email and I will answer it as soon as possible. Okay, my friends? So don't forget, Buildabizonline is a tool providing program with full training on how to use them and how to build a business online using a simple 4-step system to get you started. All the other training, you can find it just here for Buildabizonline, for our autoresponder program, and there are some advertising training methods just there as well. Okay, so that's enough from me. You've probably fell asleep. So thank you and welcome to Buildabizonline. Any questions, you please let me know.